Aloha everyone, my name is Kyra Santos and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about Christmas Cyber Monday, which is November 30th, 2020. Stay tuned. So have you wondered what to get somebody for Christmas? Can I afford something fashionable and affordable to give to somebody? Have you ever wanted to be connected to an amazing family? Have you ever wanted to own your own business? Be your own boss? Have a flexible schedule? Well, I got news for you. Today only, November 30th, 2020, Paparazzi Accessories is running a Cyber Monday promotion. This is a perfect time for Christmas. You can get all your Christmas gifts by shopping at the wholesale price of $2.75. How do you do that? Join with our starter kits. We have 3 kits available. $99 is our first starter kit. That comes with 35 pieces of jewelry. You'll actually get an additional 3 because it is double Hostess reward promotion just today. There are lots of promotions going on during this Cyber Monday. So you'll get double Hostess rewards if you're a current independent consultant. So if you join with one of our starter kits, you'll not only get your starter kit with those additional Hostess rewards accessories, but you'll have full access to the website to be able to order jewelry, and every 10 pieces that you order, you'll get 2 free pieces from the company. Now, normally it's 1 on a normal day, but for a Cyber Monday, you get 2 Hostess rewards for free every 10 pieces that you buy. That is so awesome. So whether you want to work your business, whether you want to shop at the wholesale price, whatever you want for this Christmas season, do it. Get into that holiday mode. Join my team, Shine with Aloha. I'll be here as your sponsor and you'll be your own boss, setting your own flexible schedule and earning your 45% commission. There are many training resources out there for you, and I also give free training as well. So join Paparazzi Accessories with me as an independent consultant and let's rock our business. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Now, if you have questions about the business or you are ready to sign up, please connect with me. This promotion is only good for today, but you can email me at shinewithaloha@gmail.com. You can also connect with me on Facebook at Shine with Aloha or on Instagram at shinewithaloha808. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions and guide you through your journey of owning your own business as an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. Welcome to the team. Join in on the fun, be blessed, and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.